So today I'm going to do a little bit of walkthrough through a new resource. It is a partnership and a platform that I have adopted through MentoMind. It is an AI/test prep platform, and they've got great options. So this is a little bit of my walkthrough if you are interested in just having some different study material for the SAT and now the ACT. So here is what it looks like on the student end. So what I really like about this platform is I'm a big proponent of AI. And so with this, they use AI in the learning. And so I'm on the SAT end. Here you've got the ELA side, you've got information and ideas, standard English convention, and expression of ideas. And what's really cool with this is what it will do is you will log in and it's going to customize the platform. Now, I've had a kid work a little bit on the student end with me in my office, so it looks a little bit different. But if you click on one that hasn't been started or really dug into, like rhetorical synthesis, what it does is you click Start Journey, start from my starting point, and then it's going to ask you targeted questions on that particular topic and go there and kind of pretty much gauge where you are with your prep work. One of the other things I like with this on the SAT platform is that in the math, and I am a big Desmos proponent, is that it has its own Desmos built in. If I click Start Journey, you will see this populate, which is really cool. So it's going to have the reference sheet, but more importantly, it's going to have the Desmos, so you are able to simulate like Tesla-like conditions. Now, one of the other key features that I want to highlight on this platform is going to be the practice test. So the ACT is fairly new, but the SAT, they've been cranking for a while. So they have a ton of practice tests, and it shows really robust results. And I'm going to click on one, and it was played around with, so don't look too closely at the score. But that being said, I've had kids kind of click through this. So if you click on view results, what it will do is it's got breakdowns of each section. If you had done all the sections, and this one I had a kid messing with, and then what I can easily do is I can click download test report, and it is going to show all the different diagnostics. And so once you click on test report, it's going to give a breakdown of what was done. And of course, it's going to skip the stuff that wasn't done. So this child was attempting math module 1 on my student end, which is really cool. And it's giving actually a really good breakdown of what they're missing and then also what they're doing awesome at. So my big thing is like, you don't want to waste time to study the stuff that you don't need to study. This kid is doing really good on that end. And then for the ACT, I'm going to give a little bit of a walkthrough. So for this platform as well, on the ACT, this is what options that they have. So if I go back to learn, when someone purchases this product, they're going to choose between SAT or ACT, or you can buy both. But on this end, for the trial end, I have access to both. So I'm going to click the toggle and go down to the ACT end. So the ACT doesn't have all these practice tests that the SAT does. It's because the ACT is changing and they're waiting for the major changes to roll out. So what I do like is it's got a ton of math, and this is where kids need a gargantuan amount of practice for. And then it's got English, and it really does a good job breaking down. And then it's got reading. There's a couple of features coming soon, but even with the ones released, it's got so much stuff. Like this is a ton, and it will keep kids busy for quite a while, but also just provide really targeted practice on where they need to focus on. So we have the subscriptions for sale, and I will link the information below. But if you need a good resource and just kind of a different way to study, please check this out. It's using cutting edge technology. And the nice thing is it is constantly being updated for what is changing, especially with the ACT. Look forward to seeing you on the platform, and reach out if you need any help and any individual support. Thanks again.